We all strive for perfection. We're 5-star no matter how you look at it, or at least that's what we're trying to aim for, is 5-star. I have myself, Brant, Ryan, and I have Ricardo. We all are mechanics here at TPC Sawgrass. Got a couple of my guys over here checking some 7500s up for the driving range, and we've also been checking all of our triplexes for our fairways on the stadium today as well. It's really important during chaotic times, especially during tournament time, that everything that we're doing with every piece of equipment that we check in and out of the shop is spot on, as sharp as it can possibly be. Heights are dead on, levels dead on, and then we're ready to go out on the golf course. We're really just trying to make sure that nothing goes untouched and nothing goes without being perfect. So today we're just doing a couple of checks on the walkers that are coming in from morning assignments for the first day of the tournament. We have a new frame system that we set the mowers up on and set height and cut, and then we'll be rolling it back and checking the levelness of the machine. First, we just need to make sure that the cut's dead on. Cut's perfect. Just need to check the height, make sure the height's good. We're going down in height on rings, so we'll be lowering the height on that. Make sure we get both sides identical and then double check ourselves back and forth. Good to go there. Perfect there. Then what we've incorporated recently is our precision granite stone. It has an accuracy that is just about as close to level as you can possibly get. So we'll take our gauge, feeler gauge is 2/1000 thick, and we'll slide it across the front of the roller on both sides. Just making sure that both sides of the roller is completely down on the granite slab so that we know that this mower is completely level. We've gone through every single mower that we have in our fleet and have put them up on this granite slab and taken apart the eccentrics and loosened the bolts and gotten all of them to sit down 100% level. And it's just been night and day difference in the striping out there. We are striving every day to get better and better and to learn more and more and more and what we can be doing differently to be ahead of the game. We really pay attention to detail here. We want to make sure that everything, when it leaves out these doors, is just as good as it can possibly get to our abilities with what we've learned thus far.